lost my GoPro. Lost
Isa
my GoPro.
prank. We found it at the last minute.
Tas yun lang pala. Nakita ni Kobe tas nalagay niya sa gilid.
Sir,
Tinago lang pala ni Kobe.
I'm the greatest prankster.
Really?
Saan mo tinago? Ba't mo tinago?
Kasi gusto ko kayo mag-suffer. Ganyan ako sa mga tao.
Beba, ano masasabi mo?
Uwi na ako.
Battle na lang.
Mahal ang ticket, so I can't rebook. I'm so sorry.
Rebook na yan.
Rebook na yan.
Tapos meron daw accompany.
Rebook na lang.
Rebook.
Mag-rebook na si King.
What a trip. What a trip.
Quick update, guys. We're going to Granville Island. But where are we going?
Granville.
Granville.
Market.
And by the way, everybody's happy.
Everybody's happy.
Kasi nakita na.
Yung GoPro, yes.
Nakita na yung GoPro! Let's go!
Just last night, they were so problematic about me. I was just going with the flow. Just accept it.
Kamusta ang beshi mo?
Anxious.
Driver ang beshi mo?
Driver ka ngayon. Driver for today's video.
Okay, we'll see you later at the Granville Island.
Yeah, because the battery is about to get empty.
Anong sasabihin mo pag nag-aaway yung mga bata, nag-drive ka? Anong gagawin mo?
Stop the car.
Ay,
Kakakayan ko lang oh. Magsisip na yung mga yan.
No, this thing doesn't have wings, but it can fly. I guarantee you.
Ikaw, Beb, paano ka? Ano
Syempre, as a teacher, how about you use your gentle hands?
Your arrow.
You best Stop doing that. No, dahil yung tono.
Ano ibig sabihin mo? How about you use your gentle hands?
Gentle hands, ganun. Kasi di ba nagsasapakan nga sila. Tapos pag may ngumangawa or nag-iingay siya, how about you use your quiet voice? Inside voice, please. Daddy's driving.
Di ba gentle si Kobe?
Ay, hindi. He likes rough play.
Rough play.
Rough play?
Rough play.
Rough play?
Rough play
Where
and-
else?
Yun lang.
So, quick update, guys. Everything is closed already. The stores are already closed. So, we just went here to eat at where? Where is it again?
It's so weird because they
Tony's
close
Fish
early.
and Oyster Cafe. Yeah. Right now, we're gonna drop King at the airport. I'm not feeling well. You're not feeling well? Why? What happened?
Oh, English. Mag-French ka ba? Sakit ng tiyan ko. Feeling ko na-upset.
Okay, rate the restaurant. Starting from you, bud. 8. 8?
Oh.
Why 8?
It's good. Calamari. Good.
Rate the restaurant.
Sure, 8.
8, why?
The calamari is good. Customer service, not that okay.
Not that
But
okay.
She was nice when we were about to leave. I don't know why.
Because she needs tips. Dito here. Dito here.
Dito here.
Rate the restaurant.
Six.
Why?
In French. In French.
Because
In French.
salmon's not fresh.
Oh yeah. Then?
Supposed to be pinkish.
Why? It's orangish.
And
And-
Rice is rubber.
Rice is rubber. Rate the restaurant in French.
That was like a 5, bro.
Okay.
Service sucks. Food is okay though.
Food is okay.
Yeah. She was very nice when we were about to leave.
Or no, there's like their last call like 15 minutes before we sat down. So they're being like so happy.
That's me.
Rate the restaurant.
6.
Why?
You have to season your own food.
Yeah, that was a mistake. So I added like tons of stuff.
Only
I'd
ba?
rate it 6 as well.
Why?
Well, the calamari was okay. It was good, but yeah, like they said, you have to season your own food, so it could taste okay. The service was not that good. Taray ni ate. Masungit si ate. Hi.
Here. And we're gonna go all the way here to here, to here, here. And she's wearing this for hiking. Good job. Update. We're gonna go swimming.
We went
in
back.
the-
We
I
went
went
back.
back to get some stuff to swim.
Dali!
Mas malamig.
laptop yan.
Yeah! Ayun oh!
Acesutoo po.
Hindi na ako.